Are outdated, paper-based registration processes slowing down your healthcare facility and compromising patient data accuracy? ActiveFORMS by HealthWare systems streamlines patient registration with secure, paperless automation, ensuring faster workflows, improved data accuracy, and seamless compliance with regulatory requirements. ActiveFORMS by HealthWare systems revolutionizes patient registration by eliminating cumbersome paperwork and replacing it with a library of custom-branded, electronic forms that instantly and securely deliver the necessary documentation. Through barcode automation, bedside registration, auto-populating patient data on forms, and electronic signature, ActiveFORMS streamlines workflows, saving valuable time and resources. Most importantly, it enhances patient safety by improving data accuracy and ensuring facilities can seamlessly pass required JCAHO audits. With its digital approach, ActiveFORMS offers numerous benefits, including ease of retrieval, enhanced security and compliance, and significant cost savings by going paperless. To learn more about ActiveFORMS, visit healthwaresystems.com.